If you're an older teacher and you have a test bank full of old quizzes and tests in Word document, this video will show you how to convert your old test into Google Form easily. For remote learning, these are steps to convert a Google Form into a Scantron for your existing tests. First, we're going to click on the 3x3 square located to the left of your name icon. We're going to scroll down slowly and we're going to look for Forms, Google Forms. Now we're going to click on a blank quiz. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to click on a blank quiz and let's change the name. Highlight blank quiz and we're going to change the name to Mr. Voltaire. Quiz number 1. Quiz number 1. Social studies. Always wanted to teach social studies. Now, this button, the plus button, is to add questions. We're going to click on it. As you can see, multiple choice is the default setting, but you could click on, if you want to explore, click on short answer, paragraph, and so on and so forth. We leave it as multiple choice for now. And we're going to now search for our Word document. My Word document is on my desktop. I'm gonna look for it. I named it Mr. Voltaire's quiz. So let me look for Mr. Voltaire's. Here we go. Mr. Voltaire quiz is right here. I click on Mr. Voltaire's quiz. And now I'm going to click on the snip tools. New snip. And I'm going to capture question 1. Capture question 1. I don't want to work with it the way it is, so I'm going to send it to Paint. Paste it to Paint. And I'm going to modify the presentation a little bit. Move this around. If you're happy with it the way it looks, you could just use it. But me, I'm going to change the presentation a little bit, save some space. You might want to explore Paint a little bit when you get a chance, because it allows you to do a lot of modification on your questions and also your answer key. Now I'm happy with it. I'm gonna click on snip tool, new snip, and capture the question. This time I'm going to name it and I'm gonna save it as capture is the default setting, so I'm gonna save it as capture 2020. Save, and it's saved on my desktop. Now I'm going to click on Google, the Google icon, and go back to the quiz. Click on the picture. Click on the picture icon. Here we go. And then click on Browse. Now I have to go to the desktop, and scroll down to search for it. Should be Capture 2020. Capture 2020. Here we go. By the apples. And okay. Now the question is uploaded. All I need to do now is to change the option. So the option become the Scantron. So option 1 becomes A. Option 2 becomes B, and so on and so forth. Notice that if you don't like that with Paint, you could make option 1 1, option 2 2, and so on and so forth. Let me see what else would need to be done here. Okay. Now I can also enter the answer key. Click on the check mark. I'm going to weigh the answer. The answer would be weigh 3 points. And then I'm going to pick the answer key, which is C, separation of powers. Gonna click on C. Click on C. Now click on Done, and I can preview the question by clicking on the eye icon. The eye icon, that's how the students are going to see the questions. I'm happy with it. If I am, then I can go back to the blank quiz, click on the blank quiz, okay, and then click on the plus sign. I'm gonna scroll down and click on the plus sign to allow me to add another question. And I'm going to start the process all over again. I'm gonna start the process all over again, which means I'm gonna go to the file. I'm going to capture question number 2, and then I'm gonna send it. Capture question number 2. Right? Not happy with it. I'm going to paste it on Paint. Scroll it up, paste it, and do the same thing again. Modify it a little bit, save space until I'm happy with the presentation. Here we go, move it up, select, move it up. I'm using the select, the square option from Paint. Now I use the snip tool to capture the question number 2, and I'm going to save it now because I'm happy with it, and it's gonna be Capture 2021. Capture 2021. Save it on my desktop. Once it's saved on my desktop, I'm going to go back to the quiz. I need to go back to the quiz. Click on the Google icon. Click on the picture. Browse. And then now I'm gonna look for it on my desktop. Capture 2021. Click on it and wait till it uploads. This is question number 2. Do the same thing for the options. I'm gonna do the same thing. Option 1 will be A, option 2 B, and so on and so forth. And C, click on the answer key, the check mark. Weigh the question, 3 points. Choose the correct answer. Abolish means to eliminate. So abolish means to eliminate. So correct answer is C. And done. Save it. Done. Preview. Well, that's how the students are going to see the quiz. So I have my 2-question quiz.